Man, look at that. Gotta focus it a little bit. What a view. Some sort of like old road. I don't know what the hell this is. It's like old pavement. Look at this. Some sort of abandoned structure. You got some like country graffiti. This is crazy looking. Wonder what this even was. Oh wow. Looks like a headstone or whatever. Huh. I don't really feel too much like yapping to the camera today. More so just taking in all the scenic shit, you know? Oh, oh, oh. Alright. This is kind of like my speed run of Temple Run or whatever. Temple Runner. Look at that, man. How beautiful. Ah, I picked up a spider web. Ugh. Ew. Alright. Oh man, look at that. Shit's blue. It's actually blue. It's beautiful. Whoa, whoa. This is the toughest part right here. I do not want to slip. That would be very bad. Whew. Oh, look at that. Now they have a real sidewalk right here. That's just beautiful. POV GoPro mode activated. Bombastic side. I'm using my camera as my eyes effectively. Whoa! Look at that. Some crazy looking fungus on that tree. It's like purple, man. That's insane. We have a tree in the road. Guess that's the end of our journey today. I'm just really getting tired, honestly. fucking gassed right now. Got my little bit of content for the day. I think I'm satisfied. See you, YouTube. Take it easy. One day at a time, homeboy. Signing the fuck off. How do I stop?